breakfast.
Blackberries and sausage.
Like strawberries and bananas. What are you laughing at? Hello everyone and welcome to my channel, Time to Cook. And my grandson Noah is going to be cooking with me today. Noah, can you tell everybody what we are going to be making?
Pancake muffins.
Pancake muffins. These muffins are so simple to make and they make a perfect grab and go breakfast, and they also make a wonderful quick snack. You can make one batch or you can double a batch so that you can have enough to keep in your freezer. There's so much I could say about these muffins, but we've got to show them how to make them. So are you ready?
Yeah.
All right, let's get started. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not already. I'm putting out delicious recipes every single week. So if you want to be notified, hit that notification bell that you see right below this video. And also, if you like this video, give us a big thumbs up. Okay, so I want to go over the ingredients with you that you will need to make your pancake muffins. And it's very easy. Like I said, you will need your favorite pancake mix. And that means anything, whether it's a buttermilk pancake mix, I have this protein pancake mix, or even a gluten-free. Any of these will work. And then you will also need 1 cup of milk, 1 egg, and then two tablespoons of, what is this?
Maple syrup.
Of maple syrup, yes. All right, we have decided that we are going to double this recipe. So I have 4 cups of the pancake mix in a large bowl, and then I'm going to add my milk. So Noah, do you want to pour this milk? We're going to need 2 of these, but here's the first cup. Just go ahead and dump it in. Here is our second cup. So pour that in there, Noah. Good job. Okay, Noah, go ahead and add the maple syrup.
Syrup.
Ooh, be careful, don't spill it. There you go. And we're going to need 2 more tablespoons since we're doubling this recipe. So 2 more tablespoons. That's a total of 4. So dump that in there. Dump it all in. All right, so now we are going to get ready and add our eggs. Now here is something that is an option for you. You can just add your eggs directly into the pancake batter, but what I want to do is I'm going to separate the yolk from the white. And then I'm going to beat my egg whites until they're stiff. And the reason why I like to do this is because it makes your pancakes light and fluffy. All right, Noah? I'm going to separate these egg whites from the egg yolks, okay?
How do you do that?
Well, watch. See, the yellow is the yolk, and I'm just going to go back and forth in my shell, and then the white is going to drop down in that bowl. Okay, now you can add this to the pancake mix. Just dump that yolk in there. Dump it. There you go. Good job. All right, let's crack another one.
Crack another one.
Okay. So take that yolk and drop it in that pancake mix. Good job. So now let's mix this together. Mix it until you can't see that yolk anymore. There it goes. Okay, so we have mixed this batter. Now we're going to beat our egg whites until they're nice and fluffy. Now you watch what's going to happen. I'm going to take this electric whisk here, and I'm just going to start to whisk them, and then they're going to get light and fluffy, and they're going to turn white. Hopefully. All right, Noah, so now what we are going to do is I'm going to take these egg whites and I'm going to fold them into the pancake batter. All right, so do you want to dump them in? take this bowl and dump them in the pancake batter. Here, let me scrape them out for you. All right, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this batter. I want to keep that, the egg whites nice and fluffy. I don't want to deflate them, so I'm just going to gently fold those egg whites into this batter. All right, you see what I'm doing here? I'm gently working them in the batter. All right, that looks pretty good. Okay, Noah, now is the fun part. We get to fill our muffin tins with the pancake batter. And I'm using just a standard muffin tin for this, but you could even use one of these mini muffin tins and have some pancake muffin bites if you wanted. And then we have a wide variety of toppings. Do you want to tell them and go over these toppings with everybody?
Walnuts, sprinkles, chocolate chips, raspberries, blueberries, blackberries, sausage.
Very good. And this is just a few of the toppings that you could use. Obviously, you could have strawberries and bananas. You could even use bacon. I've got sausage, and that's probably one of my favorite, actually. I love sausage with my pancake and syrup, so this is just perfect. But what we're going to do is we're going to spray this muffin tin with some non-stick spray. All right. And then we're going to put this muffin batter, 1 scoop, and this is right around 4 ounces, into each muffin cup.
Ooh. Pancake batter.
Yeah, to try to put this in there. Put it in this one right here. Turn it over. Good job.
1, 2, 3, 4. There's only 4. Now there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay, Noah, what toppings do you want?
Chocolate chip.
Sprinkle some chocolate chips on top. Okay.
Then these.
You're going to put some of the sprinkles on. Put right here. Do this one. All right, good job. Okay, put some blackberries on there.
1.
Where are you going to put your walnuts?
Here.
Okay. Make a couple with sausage.
Sprinkles.
All right, Noah. Now what are we going to do?
Put them in the oven.
We're going to put them in the oven. We're going to bake them at 350-degree oven for right around 12 to 15 minutes. But they look so beautiful, don't they?
Yeah.
They look yummy. All right. I cannot wait
To eat them.
Yeah, here we go. Oh boy, look at these muffins. Ooh, they look so good, don't they, Noah? All right, so now we're going to take them and we're going to put them on this nice pretty platter, all right? I'm going to get a knife and I'm going to pop them out. Look at that. Look at that muffin.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
Can't wait.
Are you ready to get your muffin? All right, which one of these muffins do you want?
This one.
Okay, get it. You can grab that one. That has chocolate chips and sprinkles. All right, I'm going to get one of my sausage because I love that. All right, and I'm going to drizzle some maple syrup. Do you want maple syrup on yours?
No.
No? Okay.
It smells so good. I can't wait.
All right, you can't wait, can you? All right, you ready? Let's try this. I put some maple syrup on mine. Mmm. That is so good.
Yeah.
It tastes just like a pancake.
But with sprinkles.
Oh my goodness, these are absolutely delicious. And what a wonderful, quick breakfast. So thank you so much for watching. I hope that you have a wonderful day, and I will see you soon with more recipes. You're just eating the topping.
Want this one? It has raspberries in it. Nana said I can have one too.
Okay, baby.